Meet the next generation of fire with the Campstove 2. A portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity so you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time. Now with updated thermoelectrics, the Campstove 2 provides 50% more power than the Campstove 1 and incorporates an onboard battery so you can store your electricity for whenever you need it. The updated LED interface provides real-time feedback on what's going on inside and features 4 fan speeds to control the size of your fire. Integrate with BioLite accessories for a perfect camp kitchen that you can bring anywhere. And anytime you go off-grid with BioLite, you're helping us bring safe, reliable energy to households around the world. Clean energy is all around us. We just need the right tools to unlock it. Discover a smarter, cleaner campfire with the Campstove 2, part of the BioLite energy ecosystem.